Hey there, beautiful people. Today I'm traveling from Kingston to Negril, where I'll be staying at Travelers Beach Resort for 4 days and 3 nights. Travelers Beach Resort was founded in 1992 by Winston Wellington. This resort started as a bar and restaurant with single cottage. It has grown tremendously to 60 rooms and a vast array of resort accommodations. It is conveniently situated within 5-minute walk from Negril Town Center. This resort prime location offers the opportunity to explore Negril and to truly get an understanding of Jamaica's rich culture and heritage. The resort has ample parking and a gift shop is located on the property.
Hello Mediocre Crew, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm coming to you live from Travelers Beach Resort here in the beautiful island of Jamaica. Alright guys, so I'll be here for 4 days and 3 nights. You know guys, just gonna be relaxing and enjoying this resort and also checking out local places in this area. So guys, I'm not here alone, I'm with my friend Moise. Hi! Yes guys, so we're actually having food at the resort right now. Guys, we're actually supposed to be eating breakfast, but some people wake up late and cause me not to catch breakfast. So
Some
I'm actually
people like no mediocre. Everyone knows that she's the late one.
So anyway, having lunch instead of breakfast, you know, to fill that little gap. And also set to do an excursion today, which is the glass bottom boat. So we'll be going on that boat and going over to an island, guys. Yep, not telling any of the island, but guys, I was so surprised yesterday when I found out that there's actually an island that we can actually go to from the glass bottom boat. Anyway guys, what I plan on doing though is showing you what this resort has to offer, how it looks, so that if you too want to come and check out this resort, you can. And I must say that the reason why we actually selected this resort is because we saw it on Instagram and I was quite impressed with what I saw, yeah. And reviews on Google were good. But you know, sometimes when you see reviews, you're not... But you know, sometimes when you see reviews, they're not 100% true, right? So it's best to always check it out yourself. I'm not lying. Reviews, they weren't a lie at all. So far, it's good. In terms of the food, it's gonna be my first time eating at the resort because yesterday we ate at, where did we eat?
Pushcart.
Yes, we had food at Pushcart.
And that other lady there.
Yeah, LTU, at LTU Cliff. I think I have that, I think I have clippings or part of that place in my Rock House video when I went to Rock House last year. So you can check that video out as well. Or I leave the link for that video in the description. But yeah guys, so far good. You know, if you want to do excursions, book excursions, you can book it right at the resort from the beach. Yeah, they have a private beach, which I'll also show you. So that's going good so far, yeah man. And we just ordered lunch and we're gonna have that now. What do you think about the place so far, Moise?
Yeah man, I think it's okay. I think it's relaxing and so forth. Go on. Alright.
Alright guys, so stay tuned. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, hit that subscribe button right down below. Give your girl some love by sharing this video, liking the video, and leave a comment right down below. Stay tuned for more guys. Alright, so let's check out the lunch menu. Yeah, I have salad, Moise.
You know how I do it.
You? I know you do. You're not gonna have no salad. Alright, I think I'll have the chicken quesadilla Oh yeah, guys, and I ordered a mudslide. I was quite surprised by my mudslide not having any chocolate. First time having a mudslide without chocolate, but I'm gonna taste it to see how good it is. I mean, the chocolate isn't in it, but it's tasty. You can taste the banana in it. How's yours? How is it?
Oh, sorry, I was showing that there is hardly any left. Ah, it's good. Yeah. It's just all right. There is not much surprise element to it, or.
Yeah. I think the best mudslide I've ever had was the one at TGIF at Fridays.
Yeah, that was
yeah,
good.
Man.
That was really good.
Trust me, guys, if you want good mudslide, go to TGIF Fridays. I meant to TGIF Fridays. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Yeah, man, they make some good milkshake over there, so big up to TGIF. That's the one in Kingston. It's a beautiful day out though. I hope it doesn't rain. Yeah,
It is beautiful.
can't wait to see the island and go on the glass bottom boat. Oh yeah, guys, so we're also celebrating Moi's birthday.
Week. My birthday gone already. I'm actually tired of hearing about my birthday, you know, because it seems like this birthday will never end. I've been celebrating since Tuesday, and every day people like, oh, happy birthday. We're doing this because it's your birthday. I thought that.
Yeah, your birthday won't finish until November because you know, say you're going to Israel too.
Yeah, guys, I'm actually going to Israel, Jordan.
Yeah.
I want to go and walk the path that Jesus walked.
Yeah. So your birthday not finish until November. But yeah, guys, give your girl some love in the comment section. Yeah. Tell her happy birthday or happy belated.
Thank you, guys. Thank you in advance.
Yeah. You know how long the food you're gonna take? Hungry still. Breakfast / lunch is finally here, guys. So I have chicken quesadilla along with fries. Gosh, so much unhealthy eating. Moi, look at Moi's jerk chicken pasta. A jerk pasta. Want some, guys? Want some? Gonna eat it for us, all right? Yeah, it looks creamy and delicious. Yeah. How is it? Speak the truth. Good? You're confused about what?
Chicken tastes like fish.
Really?
No, we're confused.
Eat it up. It's good. Taste it, guys. How is it? Good? Good. Not over the top exciting, but it's alright. Yeah, man, thank God. Alright, so giving you a close up of the pool. And yes, there are lifeguards there, so if you can't swim, you don't have to worry. If any accident happens, there's someone to save you. Yeah, so that's a pool. And a jacuzzi right here. Yeah, man, so the thing well nice. Travelers. Alright, so from the pool, we walk straight down the aisle. There is the beach and also the restaurant. It's a beautiful property, guys, not lie. It's calm and relaxing. Alright, so this is the restaurant, so you can have breakfast, lunch and dinner right here. that's it, and you dine over this area. What you can do too, guys, is just check out my Instagram page for pics. Yeah, man. This is the beach, guys, a private owned beach, so only persons staying at Travelers Beach Resort are able to use this beach. Alright, so one of the cool thing I like about this property is that even if you're dining, you have a beautiful view. Yeah, you can see the sea, and you know, it's just a chill vibe, as I made mention before in the video. Yeah, man. So this is it, guys. Restaurant, dining area, beach chairs, people having fun. You can book your excursions right on the beach. You know, people are there just waiting for you to approach them, or they even approach you to, you know, ask you what excursions you'd like to do. So as for me, I did a parasailing, and I also did the glass boat tour over to Booby Island. So wait out for those videos, guys. All right, and then you walk back up the stairs from the beach, and oh, by the way, that's the showers after you come from out of the pool or out of the seawater. You can just wash off the salt over there. This is just a chill vibe here at Travelers Beach Resort. I'm not sorry that I booked it. You know, I saw it on Instagram. I was like, yeah, you know, the name, it had a buzz, you know, Travelers Beach Resort. And a person like me who loves to travel, I just said, maybe this would be suitable for me. And yeah, not bad at all. Out of 10, I would give it, I'll say maybe 7 out of 10. Yeah, the food for me wasn't the best here, so I decided to eat on the road. And the food on the road was pretty decent, you know. I ate at Pushcart, I ate at LTU Cliff, and where else did I eat? I ate at an Italian restaurant, and I ate at Matthew's, and I went to Chill Pops. So is it Chill Pops or Chili Pops? Chill Pops, yeah. So Chill Pops and Matthew's restaurant, they're all in the same plaza. That's a new it's a new plaza where the NCB bank is. I'm not quite sure the address, but yeah, right in that plaza. But you can just type all of those into Google and you find them. Yeah, man. But food is pretty pricey. So, you know, I would say that if you're planning a trip like to NEGRIL and to stay at a resort, and you plan on like eating on the road, come prepared to spend a pretty penny. Yeah, especially if you're staying for a few days, because I spent quite a good amount of money. When I add it up, I add it in the video, so you know the total, the approximate amount which I spent on food while staying here. But yeah, I would say if you can afford to stay at an all-inclusive resort where, you know, so you're going to get food and you don't have to buy any, then do that. Or if you're going to stay at a resort, just plan for it, you know, where, you know, so you have to go on the road and buy food. And as for me, I actually prefer not to stay at an all-inclusive hotel if it's the case where I'm saying that I want to dine there. Reason being, I like to check out different restaurants, so this worked out well for me. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is basically what the rooms look like. So we have the bathroom right here, and yes, hot and cold water, and iron board, so if you have your clothes and you need to iron, you have that. Also there's a safe and a mini refrigerator and a TV, and nothing is in the fridge, but it's there just in case you want to keep, you know, put your stuff in it to keep cool. A desk, 2 beds, or if you choose, you can just get 1 single bed, a queen size bed. Yeah, and a mirror, window, and of course you can come at the back and just sit down and chill. So this is basically what it looks like. So 2 doors, 1 at the front and 1 at the back, and there's AC and there's a fan, and there is coffee that you can make in the morning. Yeah man, so well set, and they have the drawers right here. So this is what you can expect when you come to Travelers Beach Resort, guys. So this is how the room looks. So you have gotten a tour of the property. Let me know what you think about it. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video, share the video, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this property. Until then, guys, I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. This is No Mediocre coming from Travelers Beach Resort. See you on the next video.